Well, it's the Financial Answer Extra. I'm Mark Killian. He's Nathan O'Brien on the other side. And we certainly appreciate you finding us here on Facebook and YouTube to check out a little extra content from the radio program we do each and every week. And, of course, that is the Financial Answer. And today's topic is back in the news. We're going to discuss that as well as talk about the Retirement Rescue Toolkit. Each week we talk about that on the show, as well as at the end of these videos, we give you a way to get your own toolkit. And it's a free packet of stuff that Nathan will send out to you. We're going to talk about some of that. One of the things you can get is this cool little explodey 401k tax ball. So I've got this. I'm going to be.
It doesn't really explode.
It doesn't really explode, but it's like a little tax bomb thing, right? So
yeah, that's right.
I think that's the idea, is the exploding tax bomb. Yeah. But let's talk about our topic real fast, Nathan, and that's in the news. Okay, so I was flipping through some different magazines as well as online and saw two conflicting articles in the same day. So I saw one that says, surprise, right? It says 10 reasons the stock market's going to have a good 2018. That was in a pretty prominent economics magazine here this month. And then the very same day,
I saw that.
Did you see that? Yeah,
actually, I did.
The very same day on a news website, business news website, I saw an article that said the impending crash of 2018.
It's going to be terrible.
What are we supposed to take from this, right?
You're supposed to take that nobody knows. Nobody knows what's going to happen. You know, realistically, I mean, this is something that's so frustrating to me, and it's just because people don't really think about it. They don't take the time to sit down and think about it. If an advisor or a market guru knew exactly what was going to happen, even in the next week, they would be billionaires. They would leverage their house. They wouldn't have to sell you that magazine or that book or that, that newsletter or whatever.
We'd all be Warren Buffett.
Yeah, that's right. That's exactly right. So there's always predictions. There's always things that are going to come out about what's going to happen with this and that. And they're a lot of times they're working on fear, or just over exuberance, and irrational exuberance, as Greenspan said.
And sometimes they just have to have content fillers, right?
Yeah,
sometimes
that's
you just
right.
got to have content to put on a website or to put on a book or whatever.
And we automatically think that just because of that in that book, if it's in a super popular magazine or in a popular website or something along those lines, we automatically think that they know what they're talking about, and just because it's published, they know what they're talking about. Well, most of the time people are paying for those ads, and that's what it's there for. They're trying to sell something along those lines. So don't listen to that stuff. That's going to drive you nuts throughout your retirement. It's going to make you crazy. You'll be worried about volatility all the time. Nobody can see the future. The goal is to build a portfolio. Let your advisor build a portfolio that you can live with throughout the rest of your retirement, throughout the rest of that time frame.
And it probably would be good market to help conditions. You go through there, right? If you get the right plan, you won't have to worry about either one of these worst or best case scenarios, right?
That's right. Yeah. That's right. And so what can happen if we have a 2008 again, or if we have really good years, which nobody ever complains about the good years. True, it's always the downside on the market. Right. So that's the key, is building a portfolio that you can live with throughout ups and downs. Yeah. That's going to keep you confident and keep you happy throughout your retirement.
Well, and as you said, nobody really knows what's going to happen. The idea here is that if you have that plan in place, then you can ride whatever wave comes our way, because we just don't know what that's going to be, and you can take that kind of speculative worry out of the situation. And if it's good, it's good. And if it's bad, at least you're prepared. So certainly a good way to look at that. And getting prepared is part of the investment toolkit, the Retirement Rescue Toolkit, I should say, that Nathan can send out to you if you click on the link on the website, or you just text or follow in right here on the video. So a couple things that you'll get: the Investor Awareness Guide with Nathan on the front. Look at that. That's pretty nice, yeah. And there's some good resources in there. And there's that questionnaire in there. There's 20 questions on there that the investors should know. So good information there. There's also a CD in here as well. And that is, I think that goes along with the ticking tax bomb. It's about 401ks, and IRAs. Yeah. And a couple of other pamphlets and guides to look through. So a lot of good resources to dive into with the investment toolkit. And to get started, just follow the link here right after the program. Text in if you'd like. And we certainly appreciate you paying attention to the Financial Answer as well as the Financial Answer Extra. I'm Mark Killian. He's Nathan O'Brien. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.